Guys, there we go. We got our Delta Executor for absolutely free. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest undetected Delta Executor for free for my phone, guys. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can get this online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. It works with all these devices. So guys, for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Delta Executor tool. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile. As you can see, just go to your profile on browser, and guys, you will find your profile there, right? So just click your profile URL, just copy that, and let's get back to the tool. So when you copy it, just click on this button. It will automatically scrape only your user ID and it will paste it there. So just click continue and it will start searching for our user account. So guys, you should get this message, user found. So there we go, we are connected now. So guys, you should get your account there. So just click here, import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. Just click here and it's optional. So guys, we will select their script that we want to get pre-installed along with our Delta Executor. So click here and select literally whatever you like from scripts, guys. You have Red Hub, Forge Hub, NICUs, Bean Hub, Mango Hub. You literally have everything you like. So I will select Forge Hub and NICUs, and these two will get pre-installed with key on our Delta Executor. So just select that and click continue. So guys, it will start searching, connecting to our API with Roblox. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, guys. I will record more and review more websites. So yeah, there we go, guys. API is connected and our activation key is generated for our Delta Executor. There we go, guys. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys. And it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor with key. So guys, it's one-time verification, so you don't have to worry, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can complete these simple questionnaires, you can complete these game downloads, you can complete app downloads. It's really up to you and it's only your choice. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and Merge Gardens. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers. And